Hi, my name is Alice and I'm here at the Shaman Sisters in the Aura room. Today I want to give you some tips on my favorite crystals and the best ones to start with. One of my most favorite crystals is just a basic clear quartz. This is an amazing crystal, very easily accessible, quite affordable, and it's great to help amplify your energy. So if there's anything positive, for example, you want to create in your life, crystal quartz is a great starter crystal to always have with you. One of my other favorites is a tiger eye crystal. It is also a form of quartz, but it has asbestos inside of it, which gives it that beautiful golden sheen. Tiger eye is amazing for protection, and if you need to manifest anything with laser focus, tiger eye is a crystal for you. Another great crystal is the beautiful rose quartz. It has a very loving and heart-healing energy, so it's great to give as a gift or great to use on yourself if you feel you need to increase your love vibration in your life. Selenite is a gentle crystal that is great to use for your crown chakra. So if you'd like to connect with the angels, with spirit, with God, selenite is a great one to use. Also very accessible and affordable and a great starter crystal. Lastly, we have black tourmaline, very protective. You can use this in your home. You can keep it in your purse, on your desk. It's a great piece to use for everyday use.